Hello, I want to show you how to make this magic book pendant. Today we need polymer clay, dry pastel, small stones, tools, liquid gel and a stationery knife. We take the beige clay and make a parallel pipette out of it. Cut off the edges with a scalpel. Smooth out the sharp edges with your fingers. Now we take the brown color and make a thin piece out of it. It will be the cover of the book. I carefully rub the base of the book and cut off the excess. Pay attention that I leave 1 mm from each edge. Now I make a stone-shaped bit that I want to attach to the cover. After that I start shaping the branches of the tree around the stone, smoothing them out with the tool. You can come up with your own shape of the branches or repeat after me. Be careful, the clay is very tender and you don't need to use much force to smooth it. Now we make the texture of the tree. On the branches the bark will be small, and we will make it thicker on the cover. Notice how I press the stripes on the edges of the book for realism. From green polymer clay we make a small ball. I press it with my finger. I draw a leaf skeleton with a thin tool. You can take needles for this. Now I'm squeezing the liquid gel onto the edge of the work surface for convenience. I grease the points where I want to glue the leaves and gently smooth them to the cover. insert the pin for the pendant into the corner of our book. I bake at 44 degrees. Thank you for watching.